Exercise 14, page 404. Let's start. Mr. Vice Chairman said the constitutional pundits rightly pointed out that free and fair election is the essence of democracy. So the government which has faith in democracy is expected to introduce necessary reforms to have free and fair elections. So, in the Constitution Amendment Bill 1988, as well as representations to the government, have taken some necessary measures to remove the defects in our electoral system and restore free and fair elections in our process. Sir, I extend my full support to the Constitution Amendment Bill 1988, which reduces the voting age from 21 years to 18 years. No doubt it is a drastic change, and there was a great demand for this change from the younger generation. But I am to remind this House that there are some state governments which have already introduced this change pattern. Our government reduced the voting age from 21 years to 18 years. So, in consonance with that line, the central government has also come forward to reduce the age by amending the constitution. But here I would like to remind one thing, that when the voting age was 21 years, it is quite common in all the states that so many voters at the age of 18, 19 or 20 years have enrolled their names. When you reduce the age from 21 years to 18 years, it is quite natural that the people who are at the age of 15 or 16 years may also come forward to enroll their names in the electoral rolls. To avoid this influx, I would like to appeal to the government that without any delay, the multi-purpose card must be introduced. I am glad that the government has given an assurance to introduce the identity card system. It is in the right direction, Para. Sir, the Honorable Minister, in the name of reforming the electoral process, has taken some steps to curb the rights of the states. For example, under Section 13, he has introduced a new section by which all the officers and members of the staff who are actually under the control of the state government are brought under the control of the election commission during the election period, and not only for control but also for discipline purpose and other purpose. They are under their control. Sir, earlier they were assisting the election commission. Stop. Thank you.